yung mga slogan nyo at yung venue, pati diploma, hindi namin sinisingil sa inyo. Tama? Kaya sabi ng teacher, nag-down payment daw kayo, pero iba, balik yan, deposit lang yan. Okay? Kaya nandito na namin ko. Tapos, ito pa, nakinig kayo. Dati, yung ibang mga diploma, dati, di ba yung mga diploma nyo? At saka yung mga POR, transcript of records. Naku, 3 buwan bago nyo makukuha yan. Pero ngayon pa lang, pwede nyo lang makuha ang diploma. CUP yan!
Our keynote speaker is born and raised in the heart of the city of Pasay. She has witnessed the city's growth and transformation firsthand. More than a witness to its evolution, she has been a driving force in shaping its vibrant and progressive future. A beacon of hope and progress, she has dedicated her life to the betterment of the city of Pasay and its people. Through years of dedicated public service, she has gained a deep understanding of the city's diverse needs. Rising through the ranks, she has earned the trust, respect, and admiration of all who have the privilege to work alongside her. As the local chief executive of the city of Pasay, she has championed initiatives that promote inclusivity, sustainable development, and social justice. Under her leadership, Pasay continues to flourish as a dynamic center of culture, commerce, and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, the first woman elected as the local chief executive of the city of Pasay, an unwavering leader who works tirelessly to fulfill her promise of service to every Pasayense. The multi-awarded mayor of the city of Pasay and recently confirmed as one of the 100 most influential Filipinos in the world by the Outstanding Filipino Awards or TOFA. It is my great honor and privilege to present our keynote speaker this afternoon, the Honorable Imelda L. G. Calixto Rubiano.
Thank you very much, Sir Ara, for that very long but very informative introduction. Please take your seats. Sa akin po pinapahal at pinagalang na congressman, ngayon at ang mensahe na Congressman Tony Calixto. Gayon din sa ating Vice President for Academics and Dean of College of Office Administration, Dr. Maribel Gabuat, Vice President for Legal Affairs and International Linkages, Member, Board of Regents also, and Dean School of Law and College of Business Administration, Attorney Ver Madrona James. Vice President for Administration, Prof. Martin Elwood Rivera. Vice President for Finance and Planning, Engineer Romel Hernandez. To all the Board of Regents, I'd like to mention Sister Tudora and Father Chris. To all the deans of the different colleges, associate deans, professors, non-teaching staff, sa ating mga minamahal at ginagalang ng mga magulang. Gayon din sa ating mga graduates headed by your president, itong graduating class, Ms. Ivy Alemon. Excitement, motivation, and inspiration through the theme for this year, CUP graduates leading with competence, resilience, and character. It's more than fitting. Competence gave you the knowledge and skills to succeed. Resilience gave you the strength to continue when things became difficult. And character guided you to make the right choices when no one was watching. These qualities will serve you well, far beyond the walls of this university. Guardians and families, this achievement belongs to you as well. Behind every graduate is a family that made sacrifices, offered encouragement, and never stopped believing. Some of you worked extra hours, set aside your own needs and wants, and endured countless worries just to help your children pursue their dreams. Today, your pride is well deserved. Congratulations, dear. Please clap. Ang hina, ganyan ba sa kayo ulit? Thank you. To the faculty members, mentors, and university staff, thank you for your dedication and commitment. Your efforts have helped shape not only educated individuals, but responsible citizens and future leaders. Congratulations. Graduates, as you move forward, never forget where you came from. Carry with you the values of integrity, compassion, humility, and service. At laging tatandaan ang aming tapat at higit pa sa sapat na pag-ibig. Know that our love and concern for all of you are not limited within the confines of the City University of Pasay. Rather, we will continue to be with you as you embark your next chapter. We will always root for you along the sidelines and leading with proud as we say, CUP alumni yan! And as you receive your diploma today, remember that this is not the finish line. It is a starting point. Dream bigger, aim higher, continue learning, continue growing, and wherever life takes you, make your family, your university, and your city proud. And, alam niyo, dapat kami mga lingkod bayan talagang nagbibigay ng tapat at higit pa sa tapat na paglilingkod. Kaya trust us when we say that we definitely know the difficulty of your academic journeys. Kaya nga nung congresswoman ako, hindi ako umalis doon hanggang hindi ko ipinasa ang aking batas, Republic Act, on state universities and colleges. Kaya kayong lahat nag-enjoy ng libreng matriculation and miscellaneous fees. And hence, we have made it better and more dynamic. Dahil nag-launch tayo during the pandemic ng ating learning management system na isa tayo sa unang-unang state university na nagkaroon noon. At ngayon, pinagsisikapan ng Team Calixto at talagang andyan na in the works na magkaroon ng bagong City University of Pasay building. That will surely propel each graduate to better jobs and opportunities. At syempre, kami naman, lagi namin pinapaganda ang maganda na nabanggit ni Mayor Nanay Kong Tony. Ako mayor na ako, mayor ko. Ni Kong Tony, yung pinagpisahan niya ng mga SA, diba? Tapos, pinaganda ba natin? Tapos, pinaganda ko yan. Diba, pinakasan. Na doble ang natatanggap ko din. Gusto natin na magandahan ang mga yan. And, as a gift to our graduates, meron ako mga magagandang balita sa inyo. Magagandang na, Social Media, nagtawag mo ba? Okay, una, yung mga token nyo at yung venue, pati diploma, hindi namin sinisingil sa inyo. Tama? Pero sabi ng teacher, nag-down payment to kayo, pero iba, balik yan, deposit lang yan. Okay? Wala nang tinulungan namin ko. Tapos, ito pa, nakinig kayo. Dati, yung iba yung diploma, dati, di ba yung mga diploma nyo? At saka yung mga POR, transcript of records. Naku, 3 buwan bago nyo makukuha yan. Pero ngayon pa lang, pwede nyo lang makuha ang diploma. At ang maganda pang balita dyan, libre ang transcript of records, walang bayad. At, kaya tinanong ko yung social media yun, kasi hindi ako nakatawag, na mag-i-speech na ako. Remember, when you had your baccalaureate class, this was last week. Last week, diba? Last week. Ngayon, kakasabit ko pa lang ng documents mo. Complete and proper documents. Ha? Siyempre, gusto namin ibigay na lang. Check your GCash! Check your GCash! At around 3 to 3:30, ibigay na ang inyong SS! For 4 months. May ilang minuto pa. May nakabili ka? Yung cash? Makakakuha na kayo ngayon hanggang 3:30 sa Gcash shop. Pero kung sa mga hindi naka-register, makukuha nyo on Friday. Kaya mag-register na kayo, di ba? Gusto namin in the comforts of your homes, matatanggap nyo ang mga FA nyo na hindi na kayo kailangan kumikita pa. Ayos ba yun? Masaya kayo? Siyempre, lalo naman masaya kami. Okay po. So, again, kung ano ba yung aming mapag-iingot sa inyo. From moon to tomb, nakabukas ang aming tanggapan upang sumipot ka sa abot ng aming makakayahan. Pero yung bilis ng SEO, kakasabit lang nila mga estudio niyan eh. Last week, pero nung nando kami ni Vice Mayor Mark, sa kanipos na Luigi, kaya malusip kasi may sakita. Sabi namin, pagtupursiyan namin, bago kayo mag-graduate. Kaya ngayon, hindi nyo pala tatanggap ang diploma nyo, andyan na ang SA ninyo. Congratulations, class of 2026! We are proud of you and we are sure that with your hard work, resilience, and determination, there is nowhere else to go but up. Onward and upward. CUBN! Again, congratulations everyone. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Mayor Eddie Talisuriano. Nakikita nyo, nakakausap nyo, kasama nyo. At, papat kayo, pinag-ibig. God bless you po! Eddie Talisuriano. Maraming salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, our keynote speaker, the Honorable Imelda Eddie Talisuriano.